How to use Driven AI Investment Agent. First, open browser and look for the official Driven AI website and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside, you'll have access to an AI investment agent that you can communicate with using natural language. Start by asking it a simple research question, such as analyze NVIDIA and summarize its recent financial performance, and click arrow button to send. Driven can use live market data, financial statements, analyst estimates, news, earnings information, and other investment data to help with your research. You can also ask it to compare companies, find investment opportunities, analyze valuations, or monitor your watch list. For example, you could say, compare Apple and Microsoft based on valuation, revenue growth, and profitability. Then click arrow button. Remember, AI-generated investment analysis can be wrong, so don't treat its suggestions as guaranteed financial advice. That's it. You've learned how to use Driven AI as an investment research and monitoring assistant. If this tutorial helped, hit like and subscribe for more AI tools, investment technology, and useful tech tutorials.